Okay, here's a really quick video. A question I get asked quite a lot is, how do you change the default homepage on your new WordPress website? Because by default, it just puts the latest blogs. So let's say, you've installed WordPress, you've had a play, you've created a homepage like this, and you want that to be the homepage, but every time you press visit site, it's just defaulting to the blog. So here is the spot they have hidden it. So it's down under settings and under reading, of course. Now, your default homepage displays your latest posts. That's what it's set to, or you can set it to a static page. So there's the page I made called My Homepage. So I'm going to select that. That's all I need to do. And then I can just press Save Changes. And now when I go here, visit site, it is now going to default to my homepage. So there it is.